Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, welcome back, and it is the return of Kit Up Friday. Yes, that's right. It's been a while since we did a Kit Up video, so I've had a bit of a de-kitting mode, because obviously we're coming to the end of the June Cup very soon, and been bagging up all the spare drills, and we've got some free, so I'm predicting we can do it. We might just be short of one, but I've decided we're going to kit up this one here, which is one of my newest diamond paintings. So we're going to kit that up here today. And as you can see, we have got quite a lot of jewels, so I'm just hoping we've got enough slots available. Any ones that we haven't got enough, we'll just have to wait until we've got more room. So we have actually got, I've just left the scissors in the room, so give me a couple of minutes. Sorry about that, I've got my scissors now. Yeah, so let's get going. So I'm just going to make a check. So XJX158, XJX158, lovely. Yeah, so there'll be no seal up session today, because obviously we've had a one of these storage containers freed up, and that's really what I want to do. I don't want to keep buying these, because I can just empty them and then free one up like that. So you see my point. Unless, of course, someone wants to buy me a gift and donate me some lovely boxes, that'd be great. So, what are we going to call this? Do you like my flamingo pen? It's so cute, isn't it? I don't know, 2 grannies. So, 2 grannies. And then we'll put that as W. The only thing I don't like about this pen is that it's not a gel pen. It's like a thin pen. It comes out like you could easily smudge it, sort of thing. So I've done that wrong, ain't I? Tell you why I've done that wrong is because I normally put 2 grannies, and that normally goes on the edge, doesn't it? So we'll do that. See, I'm finding my bearings because it's been a while since we've done it. But how's everyone? I hope you're all doing well. We've had a much cooler day here today in the UK, and apparently it's only 19 degrees where I am, so hopefully that's the same for you guys, because the last 2 days has been very, very hot indeed. So it's been quite nice to... Oh, we're spelling a word here, look, WA, wow. So yeah, then we want number 3. Apparently they've said it could be quite cloudy as well, so that would be quite nice if it was. So I love bags that come out and you don't get them like static on the thing. So that will be B, and we'll put that here. I haven't gone to the range this week, so I'm just hoping I've got enough stickers to last me until I can go there, because Monday I've got to go to the doctor's, because when you hear my whip and chat you'll know why, but I've got a problem with my coccyx, which is basically the base of your spine, and I'm finding it very difficult to sit down for longer than 45 minutes without being in pain. And when I googled it, they said that it could be pressure due to low fat, like near that area, so it like puts like pressure on the bone. And in some cases, Wabbock apparently, in some cases some people have to have that tailbone cut off. So I put 2 grannies. I could have put grannies dancing, I suppose, but yeah, I knew it was going to be quite a limit on how many of these we can use, so I tried to dig out a 20x20, and it's quite difficult because I have to try to find one that I know I've unboxed, because it would be awfully embarrassing doing one that I haven't unboxed and then you see it without the unboxing. So okay, so that's D. I think we'll have enough. No, enough, you know guys, so yeah, so that'll be that. 6. Gorgeous pink there. And that is 6 is E. But you see how quick they go. They are super, super quick. I can never get enough of these. I would actually buy the whole like shelf. If there was enough on the shelf, I'd buy all of them, because these stickers are so much in demand for me. I just can't get enough of them. Okay, so that's 7. 7. And we'll put that there. Okay. So then we need number 8. But yeah, it's been quite a nice day today. On the way home from the train station, I got my free sausage roll that I had to get before Sunday, otherwise they would have pinched it off me. So you want to get as much out of them as you can, right? And this woman in front of me, she was ordering like I think she said a caramel latte or something, and she said, can I have a bacon and cheese wrap? And oh man, if you've never had one of them, I've had one of them before, and oh my god, they are absolutely gorgeous. It's the saltiness of the bacon that really kicks it off, but you can get them in Iceland's, because as you know, Iceland's is the only shop that does stuff from Greggs, so it's like some sort of contract they have between them. But do try them. I think you get 2 in a box. I think they're like £3 in Greggs, I'm not sure. Tessa can tell us because her auntie works in, well, she used to work, I don't know if she still does, but she used to work in the Greggs. Okay, so 10. I think we're gonna, I don't know, look, we've got 4 left. Can we do it? Oh, I've missed doing kit ups. It's so lovely to have a tray available, but as you can see, they don't stay like vacant for long, because they can soon get refilled again. I used to wash all these out purely because of the sticky residue, but these stickers just peel off so easy. Like, I can go like that, comes off, doesn't leave any residue. They're just perfect. So they're J, and then we want K next. So we'll put that there. It's a lovely sunny day as well. We can do a weather forecast here with Alexa. Alexa, what's the weather forecast today, please?
Right now in Braintree, it's 20 degrees Celsius with mostly cloudy skies.
Oh, you idiot.
Throughout the day,
just poured it in the wrong hole.
More of the same, with a high of 21 degrees and a low of 10 degrees.
There we go. So yeah, I've been having a bit of a clear up on my desk as well, because it was getting a bit cluttered again. So sorted that out. And then we want L. Yeah, we'll have enough for this easy. And L is 12. And I was watching Teresa's journey today, and oh my god, she has unboxed. It was quite an old one because I'm working on her older videos at the moment. So if I'm fairly new to your channel, I'll always go right back to the back. I'll watch like your current ones if it comes up in the queue, and then I'll go right back to the old ones to try and catch up. And oh man, she was unboxing the Sun and Moon. She had these gorgeous, I think they were like turtle coasters, and then no, placemats, and then she had these lovely dragons. Oh man, like I had to literally get my wallet out and order it. So you may be seeing it on my channel, Teresa. Okay, so M next. Name, first initial of my name, Mike. So that's a brown. Yeah, see, we've got plenty for these. So yeah, next week, I mean, it all depends. I mean, if I can get through another quick one, we've always got paintings on the go, so if I can get through another quick one, I might put in another kit up. The seal up sessions are only there until like trays like this become available, because I'm trying my hardest to stop buying them, because unless they get old and battered, then I won't get rid of them. But I've got stacks of them. I've probably got like 60 of them, and I just don't have the space for them at the moment. So you never, and they've gone up to like 17 quid. It's just like, sorry, 7.99 for 2. I think that's absolutely ridiculous. So yeah, this is the last colour going in now. Wow, look at that. You couldn't have done that any better. That's 15, and that's, just double check that, XJX158, XJX158, number 15. There we go. And that's an O. There we go. It's an O. And Well, that didn't take long, did it? But that's already kitted up. That was like the world's quickest kit up, I think. And what I like to do is once they're all in there, I like to turn it over to see what we're working with. What I will do as well is I will just put a code on this. I don't normally, but I normally put XJX158. Normally I only put, that code responds to that number there. I only put that on the end if I've got two paintings similar and I don't want to mix them up. So, but because obviously I have got my eye on another one of these. I bought these because it really reminded me of the twin sisters over at Sassy Misters and Sisters, or whatever it's called. Debbie Gets Crafty and All Fired Up, Judy. Now, they're twin sisters in America, and they do like collaborations with key rings and stuff. So one does one, then they pick another, and they try to pick different ones that they work on. And it just reminded me of them. They're lovely people. And if you haven't done so already, do check out their channels. I will put their links in the description of the video so you guys can check them out, because Debbie is really trying to grow her channel. So as Judy always says, you know, let's try and support her as best we can. And yeah, so XJ158, and we'll put that into there, and that's XJ158 onto there. But as I said, I have got another one that's very similar to this, and yeah, I can't wait to get it. But that's that kit up. So as I said, I'm not sure when we'll be doing another kit up, because it all depends on how quick we get through the projects. I really do not want any more plastic trays, because no, I'm not getting all that out, but I've literally got tons of them, so yeah. But anyway, I hope you like that. Oh my god, what's happening here? There we go. Hope you like that quick little kit up. I'm trying to bring kit ups back as soon as I possibly can. I'm not a robot, so I can only work as fast as I can. And yeah, we're getting through them as quick as we can. I will just say that June's completion, I can't speak today. June's completion video is getting a bit piled up with completion, so there is lots of very cool completions there. But enough blabbering on. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe. If you want to get this for yourself, the link for this is also in the description of the video, and I'll see you again soon. Bye for now.